How to design invitations in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, click Create a Design button with the plus icon. In the search bar, type invitation and choose the format that best fits your event, such as birthday, wedding, party, or custom invitation. Canva will display a wide range of invitation templates on the left panel, or you can start with a blank canvas if you prefer full creative control. Once you select a template, it will open in the Canva editor. Here you can fully customize your invitation, edit the text, change font, adjust colors, and replace placeholder content with your own event details. On the left-hand panel, you will also find elements, photos, icons, backgrounds, and text to enhance your design. You can upload your own images, logos, or graphics to make your invitation unique and aligned with your event theme. For a professional look, organize your content clearly. Highlight the event name, date, time, and location. Use headings, subheadings, and visuals to make your invitation eye-catching. Once your invitation is complete, click Share to collaborate online or download it as a PDF, PNG, or JPG for print or digital use. Now you know how to design invitations in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.